Welcome back. Now, the centre is weighing its stand on bringing out an ordinance to allow Jallikattu, the bull taming sport. Sources in the central government have now told India Today that the centre will leave the battle to Supreme Court to decide. Sources reveal that the centre is wary of treading into a matter which is sub judice and invokes massive passion.
I have been joined by Congress's spokesperson and noted actress Ms. Khushbu Sundar ma'am. Supreme Court has today rejected the plea to hear the Jallikattu petition before Pongal. What's your take on it?
I'm not surprised. I was expecting this because we have seen it in the last 3 years, in 2015, 2016. This is what happened because they kept on misguiding the people, misleading the people of Tamil Nadu, playing with the emotions of Tamil Nadu, saying that we are trying our best, and the last minute the Supreme Court didn't give us an order. So I'm not surprised at it, but I'm definitely very, very disheartened, very, very sad and heartbroken that this year, again, we are not going to celebrate Jallikattu.
DMK is blaming it on centre as well as state, that is AIDMK and BJP government.
It's not the blame game. I think we are just speaking the truth because even I was saying the same thing and I've been shouting at the top of the rooftops, from the rooftops and talking about the same thing. I said, you know that there is a problem with Jallikattu. You have the maximum parliamentarians in the parliament from the AIDMK, yet they don't speak about it. They don't open their mouth the entire year, and just close to the Jallikattu, they start talking about it. And then you have Tamil Nadu Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam writing an ordinance to the Prime Minister just 2 days prior to the Jallikattu and say that, okay, I tried my level best. What were you doing for a year? You both have been in power together. You both have worked hand in hand. So why not work for Jallikattu? So it's very disappointing, and I think DMK is absolutely not wrong in blaming him because they're speaking the truth.
DMK is going to hit the streets tomorrow. What is Congress's take on that?
What is the Congress take on that? I will not be able to tell you right now because I'm here in Delhi. So TNCC President Mr. Tirunakar sir has to take a call on this. But yes, I'm sure that from the Congress, we are going to take a very, very strong hold on this. We think that Jallikattu needs to be there. And all of us have been, voicing our opinions that Jallikattu should be there. People need to understand Jallikattu is not about, a bullfight. Bullfight is a wrong name. It's called taming of the bull. And it's more than taming of the bull. The right word would be embracing the bull. That is what the Tamil exact version of English. In English, it would be embracing the bull. So it's not a sport alone. It is something where people relate to it. For them, it's a religion. Like for Indians, cricket is a religion. For us, for every Tamilian, Jallikattu is a religion. So you're taking away their religion from them. So that's really, really hurting.
Final question: the ban should be lifted.
Ban should be lifted. All of us need to work. All the parties together need to work towards this.
That was senior Congress leader speaking to us. With journalist Madan Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today in Delhi.